What's going on, guys? Markie Williams on the YouTube channel, online certification course. Here we're going to talk about this, always been around, but quality assurance in other departments, always been around. But now, quality assurance in the warehouse department. Management, your days are numbered. More after the intro. Yes, so what is quality assurance? So quality assurance, right quick, is it's a certification course. I'm going to have the links down below, but to be a Q&A, you got to have a special skill set, a mindset in regards to the process, the procedures, the outcome, pretty much the behind the scenes of a job description, a position in a typical department. Now, more and more, Q&A is trickling their way into the warehouse department. Now, I said it in other tutorials back in the day, warehouse is the backbone to any company. I know people laugh, snicker, they have the whole cliche behind warehouse work, but warehouse is the backbone to any company, small or large. You could sell $1 million worth of product, high five, kudos, people getting bonuses. You could sell $1 million worth of product. If you don't have your warehouse in order, and that's from receiving in the product, storing the product, inventorying the product, shipping out the product, closing out the product out of inventory. If you don't have that all organized, you're gonna have $1 million worth of problems. And of course, I'm here to help. Q&A. Where I'm currently employed at, they actually have a Q&A team, a Q&A department, which was an eye-opener for me because I never seen anything like this before. And what they do is they go in to certain areas and they nitpick. You have to understand the Q&A sets the procedures, the guidelines, the standards of what needs to be done, and they create a report and they bounce that off of one another in the Q&A department just to hone in to what's really need to be done and how it's going to be done, and they kick it back to management that oversees the maintenance department. So they go into their management team and saying, hey, this is what needs to be done. I'm telling you, I'm requesting this how it needs to be done. And here's the procedures, the process, the standards that we are looking for. So management goes down to their maintenance team and say, hey, this is what needs to be done. And Q&A is gonna double back around to make sure it's done. Mind blowing to me. Never seen nothing like this. Could you imagine? Someone going to tell management that's not management what needs to be done? Quality assurance. Management, your days are numbered. And we're talking about warehouse management, warehouse department. The management that's in the warehouse department, they coming for you. When it comes to Q&A, they have consistency when it comes to practice of what needs to be done. So go ahead and comment below if you know any warehouse manager, warehouse management that have this skill set, mindset. Comment below. I'll wait. Can't think of anything? All right, let me give you a rundown of the mindset, skill set that Q&A have, quality assurance that they have, flexibility, adaptability. Q&A has time management. Q&A has soft skills, leadership. Again, I ask you, do you know any warehouse management that has any of this type of skill set? Comment below. So when Q&A comes in, they get onboarded, which will consist of the departments that they're going to be covering, and they understand, they learn the ins and outs of those departments. like I said, the behind the scenes, the nuts and bolts of it all. And there's many factors, but two I'm gonna mention is number one, the financial side of it, and number two, the sales that are being driven to get these products. So when it comes to the salesperson, he making promises and everything to their clients to get some sales. So the salesperson, they make a sale. Kudos. All right, product comes in. What's the process? Product comes in, you receive it in, you stick it on the shelf or inventory, stock number, what have you. It's there. It commits to a sales order eventually, and it ships out. Where's the turnaround on it? Warehouse management is clueless as to that side of things. All they know is I receive stuff in, I put it on a shelf, and I wait until a sales order is created, and I get it back out the door. That may take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. A month is unacceptable. When it comes to Q&A understands the process of something coming in, getting received in, get into inventory. They will check to make sure it's getting on that sales order that is not shown available. It commits to the sales order. Emails be sent out to people up front in regards to, hey, this product is in. When is it shipping? It might have a certain ship date. That's cool, but Q&A is controlling this. Q&A is asking questions. Q&A trying to make sure this stuff don't sit on the shelf mistakenly and not going out. So when sales are looking good, they're in the meetings, high-fiving, running the reports, everything, growth is on the up and up. Financial side, why these numbers are looking so low? Why is nothing being invoiced? That's warehouse management. Are they pushing to get this stuff back out the door? Or are they just sitting around waiting to be told what to do? Q&A is a driving force, you have to understand. I got this piece in, the piece is in inventory. Is this on a sales order? Get it on a sales order. When is it shipping? It's shipped out, close it out, supply tracking, what have you. Everyone happy that you could get that thing built, invoice, and get paid. That's the difference between Q&A and warehouse management. Your days are numbered. Quality assurance skills has been a hidden gem for so long. Like I said, my current job position has Q&A department, consists of like 8 to 10 people. Like I said, it's been a hidden gem. And I start to explore out in regards to quality assurance, and smart companies actually have them on their team, their organization. I'm gonna leave a link down below in regards to what is a smart company. Q&A, or once I mentioned trickling into the warehouse department, knowing that it's a failing, it's a dying position when it comes to management and managing a team in the warehouse in regards to productivity, shrinkage, loss, damaged inventory adds up tremendously, and a lot of people don't see that. Warehouse management doesn't see it. Damn sure their employees in the warehouse, they care less about shrinkage, damages, loss prevention, whatever you want to call it, that the company is eating these dollars. Q&A is coming in. Quality assurance is stepping into these warehouse positions as management, as leaders, organizing, revamping through Kaizen. I'm going to leave that link down below as well in regards to eliminating waste, simplifying, streamlining processes and procedures. Instead of having 15, 20 warehouse personnel, they shrinking it down to a solid 5 to 8 warehouse employees doing that damn thing. And that's all through quality assurance. You have to do the math, do the science on that. There's going to be a link down below in regards to quality assurance and the principles. It's a certification course online that you could take, get those accolades up under your belt. Like I was saying, smart companies are realizing the budget that's prepared for the warehouse department is getting crushed, demolished. Q&A is stepping in saying, hey, let us revamp this for you. Got freelancers, gig workers that are coming in, revamping the warehouse structure 2023 and beyond. No. And I know that was cheesy, But Q&A is doing a thing. So people jumping into these warehouse positions, warehouse management positions, thinking they're going to get top dollar, it's topping out. It's simply topping out between 50, touching maybe 60 grand, maybe 60 grand in warehouse management. Warehouse management can get eliminated, have operations stepping in and overseeing it. But Q&A is the future. And I advise you guys to check it out. Make that transition in 2024. Quality assurance and principles. You can thank me later. Many thanks for taking some time to check this tutorial out. Like I mentioned, all the links will be down in the description below. Like, subscribe, comment below as to what you would like to get certified in. I could personally send you a link to check out. You can go swing by my Facebook page, Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Like and follow there as well. I have a website up and running. You guessed it, Markie Williams Online Certification Course. Check that out. Got a few blogs I think I still have on there. I got new releases. All the tutorials are hashed out through subjects, through food safety management, leadership, small business startups, and much more. So go ahead and do your thing. I'll see you in the future. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.